One sec, 1 minute, one sec, 1 minute, one sec, 1 minute. Good evening and welcome to the Sexa Tonight. In tonight's discussion, we are going to be discussing a shocking incident of a man who couldn't satisfy his wife. And his wife actually started using a brinjal to satisfy herself. What is happening? Are brinjals replacing manhood? India needs answers tonight. India needs erections tonight, proper erections at that. And we shall be talking to the person who wrote this letter in the first place. Mr. Nilesh. Mr. Nilesh, how are you, sir?
Is my face blurred? Am I blurred?
You're absolutely blurred, sir. The nation need not know who you are and what you look like. You're absolutely blurred.
No, but I can see my face.
Well, that's a blur. And also joining us in this discussion is Mrs. Nilesh, who has been using the brinjal. How are you, Mrs. Nilesh?
Am I blurred?
You're absolutely blurred, madam, and thankfully so, because I saw your photograph before I came in over here. You're blurred, ma'am, don't worry. And also joining me is the doctor who replied to this letter, Dr. Mahinder Sasta. Doctor, how are you?
Very well, Arnab. How are you? Good evening.
Thank you. I'll come back to that later. Do not patronize me over here, sir. Thank you so much. And also joining me, last but not the least, a young author of a book which contains crime, drama, and self-help. A book that has been nominated for a lot of awards. A book that has been compared to Chetan Bhagat's Two States. Philip Lund's book, Horny, Okay Please. Sir, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, Arnab. How are you?
Obviously, sir. Are you in London?
Oh, yes, I am. How did you know?
No, Mr. Lund, just like that. Just a wild guess. Anyway, Mr. Nilesh, coming back to you. Your wife has started using a bangan instead of a gun. How do you feel, sir?
See, Arnab, I thought after she used it, we could use it to make bangan ka barta. पर इसका तो बर्ताव ही बदल गया है यार अर्नब. I really don't know what to tell you.
Obviously, you're not very happy with this whole situation right now, sir.
How could I be happy with this situation, Arnab?
Okay, I'll come back to you in a bit. Madam Nilesh.
Yeah.
Why? Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Why a brinjal and not a lauki?
Oh, I wish I was that lucky.
Tell me something, Mr. Sasta. What about cucumber? Why didn't you advise them to use cucumber, sir?
You see, Arnab, cucumber is for cooling, not for fooling.
So, are you saying now that men should start squeezing oranges instead of squeezing? Anyway, that's a separate discussion. And let me ask you something. What's so special about brinjal? Why did you recommend a brinjal?
You see, Arnab, brinjal, the word jal means...
Ami tamake balabashi, sir.
Yes, exactly. So, jal means water in Bengali. So, if you bring jal means bring water. That means come water. You understand? Come.
You're all wet behind your ears, sir. Absolutely disgusting. Let me take this discussion to Mr. Philip Lund. Mr. Lund. Mr. Lund, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Mr. Lund, what are your views on this? Why did she choose a brinjal?
See, I think more than anything, the brinjal has significant amounts of phenolic flavonoid phytochemicals called anthocyanins. And this good amount of antioxidants in the vegetable has positive effects on health and aging. So maybe she just wanted to look young.
Wonderful, sir. I don't think anybody in the country got what you said right now. Anyway, let me take this back to Mr. Nilesh, the most affected person on this earth. Mr. Nilesh, do you feel like a sugarcane who has lost its juice?
Not at all, Arnab. I actually feel like a Karela whose juice nobody wants to drink.
That's so wonderful, sir.
No, actually, it's not so wonderful.
Okay, sir. I'll come back to you. Do not try to patronize me on this show again. Thank you so much. Mrs. Nilesh, don't you think using a brinjal is risky?
It's not risky at all. With the brinjal, I don't have to fear pregnancy or any other infections.
Infection to theek hai, but what about affection? What about affection, madam? So, ma'am, please tell us one thing. Did you finally make the bangan ka barta?
Oh yes, I did.
And Mr. Nilesh, now you can answer my question. How did you like the bangan ka barta, sir?
It was actually a little salty, Arnab, but darling, that mayonnaise that you put in was absolutely magnificent. Delicious.
Mr. Lund, what do you have to say?
Brinjal is also a good source of chemicals like potassium, copper, manganese, and if you add chocolate and strawberries to it, then...
One second. Thank you so much, sir. Are you an author or are you a miner? You're only talking minerals and potassium and I don't know what not. Okay, one last word from panelists. We have got only time for so much. Okay, Mr. Sasta, your final words, please.
See, Arnab, whether you live in a building or a chawl, it is essential to have brinjal.
Whatever that means, Mr. Nilesh, your final words, please.
देखिए अर्नब, ब्रिंजॉल तक ठीक है, पर ब्रिजेश नहीं हो तो और अच्छा रहेगा.
Brijesh? Who the hell is Brijesh?
My neighbor.
Oh, love thy neighbor. Absolutely, absolutely. And Mr. Lund, your final thoughts, sir.
Brinjal also contains good amounts of B complex vitamin.
Oh yeah, got it, sir. B complex, Locondala complex. I mean, it looks like you're in construction business right now. Okay, madam, please come in. Mrs. Nilesh, what are your final thoughts on this? Final words, please.
I hope that the government is controlling the cost of brinjal and it does not become as expensive as the onions. You know, it just shouldn't happen that way.
Wonderful.
No, I disagree with that, Arnab.
No, one second, sir. No, yes.
No. See, you cannot increase the prices of the brinjals. Actually, you cannot decrease the price. If you increase the prices, the rise of men will stop.
Okay, why do you say that, sir?
See, if the prices go down, then the consumption of brinjals will be more and the rise of men will be less.
Okay, fine. So you're saying that brinjal should replace manhood?
Not at all. Why would I say brinjal should replace manhood?
Or manhood should replace brinjals?
No, either way, it does not work.
Once again, sir, you seem to be confused in this discussion right now. Are you trying to say that your gun should be the buying gun and the buying gun should be banned? Isn't it intolerance?
Not at all. It's absolute intolerance, Arnab.
Absolutely, sir. I agree with you, Mr. Lund,
one
on this.
second, I want to
Yes,
say something,
madam. Last word. I've got 2 seconds. Rahul is waiting for me. Yes, ma'am.
Oh shit, I forgot what I was gonna say.
What a bitch. Thank you so much for joining me in this discussion, everybody. Thank you so much. And as for me, I need to get the carrot from my bum. Thank you so much. That's all we have tonight in Sexa. Thank you for joining me.